Good morning, everybody. Mike Vacchi, Princetontrader here for Mr. Topstep with your Tuesday morning pre-market webcast. Okay, I've got a daily chart here of the ES, and I'm starting to see some similarities here that are, despite the fact that we keep going up, 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 and for those of you that have followed me for a while, you know that nobody likes to get swing short more than I do, and nobody likes to pick a top or try to pick a top more than this guy. But I'm starting to see a lot of similarities between this market and the market we saw in the first quarter of 2012. And the reason I've got this chart backed out as far as I do is that I really want people to take a look at this area right here. Okay? This is what we saw in January and February of 2012. And this was a very grinding high. And if you were short this was a very, very painful period of time. I'm not saying that we're about to do 100 handles up off the floor and stay above the middle band and go up to 15 whatever. I'm not one of these ding-dongs on CNBC that's talking about Dow 20,000. Okay. What I am saying is this: if we're going to short this market, and I do want to get short this market, you've got to be very particular about how you go about doing it. You have got to demand that your setup be there, even if that means you miss the perfect, top entry short. Okay? You may miss the first, 5-10% of this before it gets started, because if you're wrong, you're going to get caught trying to top tick through this kind of action potentially. Okay? You've really got to make it break through this upper Bollinger Band with some ticks that demonstrate some exhaustion. And we're not seeing that. We didn't get through the upper Bollinger Band yesterday. Let me zoom in one. You're not seeing it. Okay? And we're backing off here. Let me pull up a 5-minute chart now, and you're going to get all excited thinking that we're missing the boat. Okay. It's over. See, we made new highs at 1397.75, and now we're trading 1395 half. That's two handles. It's over. We've missed it. We're going to go all the way to 1399, 1350 now, and because I missed 1397.75 to 1395.25, I'm not allowed to participate in the next 35 handles down. People think that way. Traders think that way all the time. Everybody catches themselves thinking that way. You want to be the one that top ticks it, and you feel that if you don't top tick it, that you're not allowed to participate in the rest of it. And what you need to do as a trader is to really say that kind of stuff out loud. And if you say that kind of stuff out loud, you'll see just how ridiculous it really sounds. Okay? A lot of people yesterday here on the close, oh no, there goes a train. I'm going to miss it. It's over. Well, they didn't miss anything. Okay? Because now they were up here at 95. And they were selling down at 90. Okay? So just be patient. This market has not decided what it wants to do yet. It hasn't decided if it wants to be done. It hasn't decided if it wants to go to 1404 or 1412. It hasn't decided what it wants to do. So just be patient. Okay? Let's look at support and resistance. Current trade is 1395 half. There's absolutely nothing of significance today economically. We're trading price today. Headline minefield is alive and well, so be careful. Use stops and be hedged. On the upside, you've got round number. Well, you got 97.75, 1400, 1403, 1408, 1415, and 1427. On the downside, 1393, 1391, 1389, 66, 1387.40, 1384.78, 1382, 1379.70, and 1378. Okay, everybody have a great day. Mike Vacchi, Princeton Trader for Mr. Topstep. Have a fantastic Tuesday. Catch me this afternoon. I'll be on Mike Yorba's radio show, 2:30 Eastern Time, 1:30 Central. Hope to see everybody there. Trade 'em well.